Cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Tonight, in my kitchen, we're having turkey tenderloin. Come on, let's get it out. Come on, girl. That's my girl. I have marinated 2 turkey loins. And to be honest with you, when I bought them, I thought they were pork. Shocker. But they're not, they're turkey. So I marinate them, get down. I marinate them in some garlic herb marinade that I got at Food Line. And I'm turning this on high heat and putting some avocado oil. And I'm gonna cook them on the stovetop tonight. Okay. Oh, let me get my jewelry off. Lord have mercy. Cookie, what in the world? We've been to town today and I got my jewelry on, right? Had a day date with Papa. Lord have mercy. And now I can't get it off, Cook. Can you help me with a bracelet? I don't think so. I don't think you can do that. You can do a lot of things, but I don't think you can do that. Cookie and I are in the kitchen. We're having baked potatoes and turkey tenderloin tonight. So I'm gonna wait for this to get a little bit hotter, and I'm gonna grab a lid that'll fit over this big old cast iron skillet. Let's see. Oh yeah. Okay, let me lay that right there. See if it'll balance. There we go. Okay, let's get my kettle back out of the way. All right, this is feeling pretty hot. Feeling hot, hot, hot. Okay, I am going to take these turkey tenderloins out of the marinade. I have some tongs that are clean, and I do. Praise the Lord. I'm going to pull this over here so we don't make a big mess. We'll let it drain out just a little bit. I know, girl. Smells good, doesn't it? Smelling good in here. Up in here. Up in here. Okay, I'm going to seal this off and throw this away. Turkey tenderloin. And that's for some other recipe. Lord have mercy. I got to straighten up before the men folk get home. Okay, I'm going to cover this and I'm going to set a timer for about 4 minutes. Where is my timer? Doo-doo. Oh, there it is. It's behind my son's experiment of sauerkraut. Let's do 4 minutes. I'm going to brown it on 4 minutes on one side. They're small. And then I'm going to turn it over and brown it on the other side. And I'm going to cook it with the lid on so that it can simmer and get done all the way through. I have turned the tenderloin over. You can see that it's cooking pretty good. I cut my burner down to low. Now I'm going to cover this and I'm going to cut that down to low instead of medium. And I'm going to set my timer for about 10 minutes. And that should do it for the turkey tenderloins. And I'll cut them in the middle, make sure they're done, and then I'll put them on a plate and they can warm them up in the microwave when they get home tonight. Turkey tenderloins, y'all, that's what I'm doing in my kitchen tonight. Have a good one, and thanks for following the page. Bye now.